Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility. Check your Mac OS version and the app's requirements because some live wallpaper tools need 10, 15, or newer. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper app from the App Store or the developer. Once done, open it. When the app asks for accessibility or screen recording permission, grant them in System Preferences. Without these, the app can't update the desktop. Make sure to quit other wallpaper utilities first, so the new tool can take control cleanly. Open the installed app and follow on-screen setup. Drag to /applications if needed, then give any remaining permissions. Choose your live wallpaper source, bundled presets, a local MP4, or a URL stream, because each behaves differently for CPU use. Configure playback options, set frame rate or refresh limits, choose performance or battery saving mode, and select how the wallpaper scales to your screen. Once configured, apply to desktop. The app will replace your static background, and finally, apply the live wallpaper to one display or all monitors, and verify screen arrangement in display settings so it aligns correctly. If you want it persistent, enable Launch at Login in the app's preferences. If the wallpaper doesn't start, first revoke and regrant accessibility and screen recording permissions, then restart the app. If that fails, reinstall or update the app and Mac OS. Remember, heavy animations impact battery and CPU, so scale quality down if you notice performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.